In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now to go ahead and add friends, what you're going to want to do first is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the friends button. So once you've done this, it's going to load up the friends and family screen. Now there's a couple of ways you can add friends. What you can do, as you can see, you've got a friend code here. So you can actually copy this and send that to your friends who are already playing Monopoly Go, and they'll be able to use that to add you as a friend. Now what you can also do from this screen is come down to the bottom and press onto the green invite button. Then what you can do is from this screen press the orange invite button. What that's going to do is bring up a window at the bottom, and what you want to do is press onto copy down here. What it's going to do is copy your invite link. So what you can then do is send that to your friends, whether that's through something like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Discord. Once they click onto that link, they will be able to join you in Monopoly Go. So that is how to add friends in Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.